Welcome back. Till now, we have got enough idea about how Hadoop and its component work. In this lecture, I'm going to design a data pipeline using Pig and Hive to process logs generated by users on the website. We will be analyzing clickstream data generated by users on a website. Let's understand what is clickstream data. A clickstream data is an information trail a user leaves behind while visiting a website. It is typically captured in semi-structured website log files. The log files contain data elements such as a date and timestamp, the visitor's IP address, the destination URLs of the pages visited, and a user ID that uniquely identifies the website visitor. We'll have a look on the sample data in some time. The demo scripts and dataset have been attached with this lecture, which I'll use in this demo. You can run them on your machine once you finish this lecture. Now let's understand what is data pipeline. In general sense, a data pipeline is the process of structuring, processing, and transforming data in stages, regardless of what the source data form may be. Some traditional use cases for a data pipeline are pre-processing for data warehousing, joining with other datasets to create a new datasets, and feature extraction for input to a machine learning algorithm. Data pipeline is an automated process that executes at regular interval of time to ingest, cleanse, transform, and aggregate incoming feed of data to generate the output dataset in the format that is suitable for downstream processing with no manual intervention. So in this demo, this is how I have designed a sample data pipeline using Pig and Hive to process clickstream data. First of all, we will be uploading sample logs file into HDFS. Then Pig script will transform this data into a structured form, which will be then used by Hive for further analysis. Automating data pipeline. As we just learned, that data pipeline is an automated process that executes at regular interval, so you can automate the entire data pipeline by calling your scripts in cron job. Cron is a time-based job scheduler in Unix systems where user can call their scripts. So this is how we can automate the entire data pipeline in Hadoop to process data. Let's have a look at the sample data and their schema which we will be using in this demo. There are three files. Products. It includes category of products and their corresponding URLs, and this is the schema of the file. Category and URL. Users. This file contains user details visited on the website, and this is the schema. It contains user ID, date of birth, and gender. Logs. This is semi-structured website logs that includes data like timestamp, user ID, IP address, and basically clickstream data. Okay, so first of all, we will upload the logs file into HDFS. Then we will process the semi-structured data into a structured one using Pig, and we'll dump the processed data into another directory in HDFS. After processing the logs by the Pig, the processed data would look like this. It will contain log date, IP, URL, user ID, city, country, state. Then we will design an external table in Hive to read this processed data for further analysis. Since Hive provides JDBC ODBC connectivity, so we can connect some visualization tools like Tableau, etc. to visualize and analyze data. There is an assignment for you in this data pipeline. And the assignment is you have to join all three tables, that is processed logs, products, and users, to create a new flat table in Hive. And here I have given you the hint how to join the tables. And the table schema should look like this. It should contain user ID, age, gender, country, state, city, log date, IP address, product category, and the URL. Once you create the table, you should be able to answer these queries. top 5 products visited by the users by geo, count of user sessions by geo, count of user sessions by gender, by product, by geo. So write down Hive queries to answer all these questions. In this data pipeline, I will be processing data till pig only, and the rest should be done by you, which has been asked in the assignment. Now let's see how we can process the website logs using pig. I have started my sandbox. Let me show you the file location where I have uploaded the log files. This is the location. This is the website log data and the products data and users data. Let me show you the pig script which I'll use to parse logs. So in the first relation, I'm reading the data from HDFS. In the second relation, I'm naming the columns. In the third relation, I'm doing uppercase for state and country and finally storing the results. Let's run this query on pig. Let me copy it here. And I'll go to pig grunt cell. Let me start it. Wait for some seconds. And I'll paste my query here. Now it will parse the logs and store the results into HDFS. We'll see the output in some time. It is taking some time. Let's wait. And the job is successful. Let's see the result. So I'll go to file browser and in sample data, pig out parse logs. So now this one is in a structured form. This is the output of pig scripts. That's all for this lecture. Go and complete your assignment today. Thank you.